Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. And if you are new, I would love if you consider subscribing and joining my YouTube family. It's completely free for you, and I would love to get to know you guys down in the comments down below. So today's video is going to be a short but satisfying one. We are going to be stripping my toddler's car seat, and her car seat is so gross. I did post a vlog yesterday trying to clean it with an upholstery cleaner. We did get some dirt out. The water was definitely gross. I'll show that right here. So we actually did make some progress, but there's definitely still some stains, and I just figured why not just take it all apart and strip it. If you are new to stripping, what it is you get a bathtub hot full of water, you get some borax, some powdered Tide, and some baking soda, and you just let it soak in there, and all the grime and the stains just come out, and it completely refreshes the fabric. And then once you take it out of the bath, you just completely wash it regularly through the washing machine just to drain it out and just make it extra clean. So I will show you about the before of what her car seat looks like right now, and then I'll do a time lapse on the water so you guys can watch the water. And yeah, let's get this started. This is how her car seat looks right now. And like I said, I did try to wash down here yesterday. This is all I got to, but clearly there are still some stains. So I'm excited to see if stripping this pulls out these stains and how new we can get this looking. The bath is all ready with our little mixture, and if you have a kid, you probably know this. Taking apart and putting together a car seat is an absolute pain, so let's hope that it's easy this time. Bye. As you can see, the water's pretty clear, so we're just gonna kind of make sure all the mixtures all mixed together a bit. All right, you guys, this has been about 2 hours, and this is what it looks like so far. I'm just gonna make sure that it's all whooshed around one last time. Isn't that so gross? Watch, when I drain it, there's just gonna be dirt stuck at the bottom. look how much dirt is just stuck there. That is so gross. I'm so glad I did this. Everything in here, and now I'm going to go wash it in the washer. Okay, so after stripping everything in the bath, you saw that I put everything into the washer just to get all the excess soap and everything out, and it gets wringed out really good. So that is all done. It smells really good. But if you guys have kids, you know the hardest part about this whole process is going to be putting back the car seat all together and making sure that all the hooks are found and everything. So let's see if I can do this. Here's how our car seat turned out. I think it looks so much better. Definitely got some stains and some dirt out, and it smells good too. I hope this video gave you guys some motivation to maybe go clean your kid's car seat, even though it really does suck putting it all back together and finding all the hooks and making sure everything's just on right, but I did it. So if you guys like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.